convert horizontal data into vertical data or vice versa in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly reverse or switch these two particular axes for the month and the profit in MS Excel. So as here you can see in this data, I have selected this particular data in accordance with the month so that the month appears vertically and the profit appears horizontally like this. In case, let's say I want to switch it and want the months to appear horizontally and the profits to appear vertically, then what I can do is simply select all of this particular data, and then I need to click onto this copy button, and then after that you can move to any other different place in the workbook, and from here simply right click, and under the paste options you can see this option of paste special. So simply click onto this paste special, and from here click onto this transpose option, and once you're done with that, click onto this OK button, and now you can see that our data has been successfully flipped. The months are appearing in this format and the profits are appearing in this downward format. So that was all for this easy and simple tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.